Just do it.
Peace.
Say peace.
Peace.
Play something.
Say daddy play.
Peace.
Peace.
How long has it been since you used an amp?
Years.
Exactly.
At least 12 years ago.
Oh, she'll be mad.
I bet.
Don't come home, you drunk.
Say play something, daddy. I know what he's gonna try. Bing, bing. Are you sure it's in tune?
I don't know. Does it look like I know how to tune? Somebody else tuned it. That was like a week ago, though.
He's playing that song right, but it doesn't sound right.
It was in tune a week ago. It hasn't been used since. So the strings might have stretched. Actually, about 2 weeks ago.
How'd you get here, Wa?
No, sure. I'll probably have to walk.
What? Daddy's playing.